Hey everyone, Alyssa here at Sipkins Nurseries, and today we wanted to show you a video on how to attract birds to your yard this winter season. Some common birds that you will see this winter could be cardinals, blue jays, finches, chickadees, and sparrows. So a really great way to attract birds to your yard this winter season is to provide a natural food source. So things like native berry bushes, trees with nuts, or plants that have seeds is a really great way to do that. Now, sometimes in the winter time, these natural food sources may be covered in ice, they might be frozen, or they might be under a blanket of snow. And so sometimes you need to supplement with some bird seed. Now, ideal winter food is high in fat and in oil because the birds need that for energy to survive the winter season. So this would include things like suet, peanut butter, black oil sunflower seeds, hulled peanuts, and Niger seed. Here at Sipkins, we sell these really great pre-packaged bundles of bird seed. So you'll notice here on the side of the bottle, you'll have a whole ingredient list, and that will help ensure that you pick the right seed for the right season. So it's really important to place your feeder near your home in a sheltered spot, near a window where you can view them, but not too close. You want them at a far enough distance that a bird is not going to hit a window or any other part of your home. Now, it's also important over the winter time to clean your feeders regularly. Now, it's really important in the winter time to make sure that you have a fresh water source for your birds. So things like bird baths can freeze over very quickly, so ensure that the ice is broken and that water is available. And you can also consider using a bird bath de-icer, ensuring that you carefully read the instructions on the package before using. So consider getting the whole family involved in attracting these feathered friends to your yard by creating your own bird feeder. So this one is simply a toilet paper roll. It's spread with peanut butter, or if you have an allergy in your home, you can use shortening or Crisco, and then it's simply rolled in some bird seed. If you don't have bird seed at home, you can use things like Cheerios or dried fruits, some nuts or sesame seeds, things like that. And then simply put a little hanger on it and put it in a tree close to your yard where it can be enjoyed. So there you have it, some great tips on how to attract birds to your yard this winter season. Make sure to check out our social media and our email for other great tips and videos. So come into Sipkins Nurseries for all your bird supplies and for some great tips. We have bird houses, bird seed, feeders, and more. Thank you so much for watching, and happy bird watching.